Your classic like Gucci. When I saw that they were the black ones, I literally died. I think they're so cute, like a little bit of an elevated like casual sandal. Such a cool product. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Attorney Brooke here, coming at ya. I wanted to hop on and show you guys another luxury unboxing, and I will just jump right into it. I actually got a pair of Gucci shoes. Ooh! And I got these as a gift for my birthday, so I wanted to share with you guys like the absolute like glory and like just that I feel when I get to like actually unbox like these beautiful items. So this is pretty cool, and I've noticed that some of like the higher end designers have been doing this. Is like a true like reusable dust bag type tote with the handles and then like obviously the Gucci labeling right there. So like if you're trying to be like a bougie grocery shopper or like stunt on the bitches at like the farmer's market, like you got it. And I just think it's like hilarious. I love it, and I will definitely be using this. Here's the box. Your classic like Gucci, beautiful green, the embossing on the box. If you like to collect the packaging, such a cool product. I don't keep my boxes. I just have limited space, and to me, I just don't have a use for them, so I just don't. Now taking that lid off, and then here I'll just show you guys the best I can. Here's how it came packaged. Undoing the tissue paper that you guys can hear so well. And then obviously comes with the dust bags, one for each shoe. I've already used the other one for trips. I have this right here. All my makeup brushes, I like throw in there, whichever ones. Just a good way to like keep toiletries and stuff contained if you're traveling. That's why I keep my dust bags. And then let's just like jump into like the glory of it. So here they are. These are the beautiful Gucci platform sandals that have been everywhere this summer. These have been on my wish list for a while. I think they're so cute, like a little bit of an elevated like casual sandal. Could throw on with summer dresses, literally anything, jeans, shorts, swimsuit, whatever. I just love the platform. Obviously the platform's in, but I also just think like the classic like Gucci monogramming is gonna stand the test of time. So these are adorable. These come in different colors. I think it comes in more of like a denim type shade, and then also like classic like Gucci tan, like monogram color also. And I've seen a lot of the monogram like tan color around. When I opened these, I died because I was not expecting like the black ones. Like I had a feeling when I was like undoing the wrap that like it was gonna be these, because I've been obsessed with them, and like I have let my fiance know like every 2 seconds how much I like them. So I figured like he listened and he was getting them for me. So when I saw that they were the black ones, I literally died. Black is one of my favorite colors. Like that's my go-to if I'm shopping. So super cute. Comes obviously the stuffing, and I have worn these a couple times. So I did want to show you the unboxing, but then I also have like a couple of comments about the shoes themselves. Here you see that Gucci labeling right there on the heel. Super thick and supportive soles right here. This is like that actual fabric feel that's going to be wrapped all the way around the shoe. Over the foot right here, you get the same fabric, and then the bottom is a little bit of like that ridging rubber sole, the Gucci emblem. Super thick, so I think they're going to be like durable and like stand the test of time. So a couple of things, I have definitely worn them. I've worn them traveling like in and out of the airport, and then like walking around a couple cities and stuff. And I will say that for me personally, they tend to feel heavy. I mean, they are a solid shoe. Not that it's that the heaviness or the weight of the shoe that kind of bothered me. It's just the way that my foot fell inside of this overarching strap. I have a bit wider feet, and I was actually surprised that these like went on as comfortably as they did, because I do tend to have wider feet for like designer type slides or sandals. So I would say if you have narrow feet, then these might be kind of big on you, because my foot slid in pretty easily. Nonetheless, when I was walking, I would notice the weight of the shoe would catch right here. Like this would kind of be the first and the last part of the shoe that would really like catch on my foot. So I would notice over time, like my skin, the top of my foot right there was getting kind of like raw and I would blister. And I didn't know if it was a matter of like just having to break them in or, you know, getting my foot shape right or whatever. Haven't quite figured them out. I have put in some heel adhesive cushions on the top here just to put a bit of a buffer in between my skin and like this rough type of fabric, which has helped tremendously. Overall, I think these are the cutest freaking summer sandals ever. I've really enjoyed having them. My only critique is that for me personally, they do rub on the top of the foot. Not that they're unbearable at all. Not that like I don't want to keep them. I wouldn't wear them. I just wouldn't like wear them around like Disney World all day or, you know, run a marathon in them. Like it's something where if I'm just like running a couple errands, going out to dinner, whatever, throw these on. Honestly, I was fine in and out of the airport. If you're interested in this specific style of shoe, I would say go in and try them on in person because they are a bit different. They are a heavy shoe. Walk around the boutique as much as they'll let you so you can kind of understand what I'm telling you, how the weight of the shoe distributes. So that's it. I think they're super cute. I'm obsessed with them. I've really been enjoying wearing them and I am very grateful and happy to like add them to my collection because I'm a shoe fanatic and my family knows that and they love me and they just like support the addiction. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed that unboxing. If you have these shoes and you like kind of have any comments about them or they kind of wear the same or if you figured out how to make them comfortable or whatever, hit me up in the comments. And if you like this video, you want to see more of these luxury fashion unboxings, hit that subscribe button. I have more coming your way, you guys. Hit the like button on this video, drop a comment, and let's have a conversation. And that's about it. I will catch you guys next time. Bye.